आहा की सुंदर ए सर्टिफिकेट टी टोमेडो को देखाई की बोलो वैलो लागछे ए सर्टिफिकेट सीएससी अमाके दे छे ओलंपियाड एग्जामे वैलो रिजल्ट को राजोनिया
आहा की सुंदर ए सर्टिफिकेट टी टोमेडो को देखाई की बोलो वैलो लागछे ए सर्टिफिकेट सीएससी अमाके देश ओलंपियाड एग्जामे वैलो रिजल्ट को राजोनिया MEOMNEKTI certificate chai. Kintu Kiwavi.
Thank you Common Service Center.
Thank you very much.
CSC Olympiad encourages students to explore knowledge beyond the boundaries of their school curriculum.
CSC Olympiad fuels your child's curiosity and empowers them to take on exciting new challenges.
Prepare with confidence, practice diligently, and finally, perform with excellence. तृतीय टेक दादा श्रीनीय शिखिया थर्ड जॉनिया अनमुक्ता ए मूल्यायन प्रधान विषयगुला मूल धारणा वो मौलिक दाखता जाचाई कोरे. Open to learners from classes 3 to 12, it focuses on assessing core concepts and fundamental competencies across key subjects. National education policy aligned with the National Curriculum Framework. Online practice with chapter-wise quizzes and full-length mocks to strengthen understanding and accuracy. Through tech-enabled assessments and online tools, students build digital literacy skills essential. Through tech-enabled assessments and online tools, students build digital literacy skills essential.
Online Olympiad from classes 3rd to 12th. Online Olympiad from classes 3rd to 12th. The exam is scheduled for November and December this year. The exam is scheduled for November and December this year. Class 3rd take a 8th Parjanto Bishay Guli Holo English Hindi Mathematics Science Logical Reasoning Computer Logical Reasoning. Class 3rd take a 8th Parjanto Bishay Guli Holo English Hindi Mathematics Science Logical Reasoning Computer Logical Reasoning. English, Hindi, Bangla, Science, Mathematics, Logical Reasoning, Computer, General Knowledge. These are subjects class 3rd to 8th.
English, Hindi, Bangla, Science, Mathematics, Logical Reasoning, Computer, General Knowledge, Cyber Security. These are subjects class 9 to 10th.
English, Hindi, Bangla, Science, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, History, Business Studies, Economics.
PS Psychology, Accountancy, Geography class 11 to 12th. The CSC Mathematics Olympiad is designed to strengthen students' mathematical skills, enhance their
conceptual understanding, and develop their ability to apply mathematical principles to real-world problems.
The CSC Computer Olympiad is designed to enhance students' knowledge of computer applications,
coding, cybersecurity, and problem solving through computational thinking.
Key features:
practice tests, topic-wise quiz study material, available in English. Performance analysis report.
Practice tests, topic-wise quiz study material, available in English. Performance analysis report.
CSC Academy is an educational organization popularizing academic competition and assisting development of competitive spirit among school children. CSC Academy promotes education, digital literacy, digital financial literacy, certifications, explore potential and develops competitive spirit among school children.
National Olympiad structure: total questions 50. Test duration 60 minutes. Online proctoring.
Available languages:
English, Hindi, Bengali.
Kannada, Malayalam, Odia and Assamese.
Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu.
The CSC Olympiad is more than just a test, it's a gateway to deeper learning, digital readiness, and academic growth. Designed to spark curiosity and build strong foundations, it prepares students for the challenges of tomorrow.
Students get access to full-length mock tests, chapter-wise quizzes, and structured practice tools to build confidence and reinforce learning at every stage.
Through tech-enabled assessments, students build essential digital skills while gaining experience with online formats, time management, and test strategies.
The 1990s have been declared the decade of the brain and the decade of education. The human brain receives all education and is the source of all behavior. It is the most complex mass of protoplasm on Earth, and perhaps in our galaxy. A simple essay can only begin to describe its magnificence on the one hand and its malice on the other. By offering a few facts about the development of the brain, I hope to emphasize its role in providing the substrate for education before and after birth. The most recently evolved part of the cerebral cortex, the neocortex, has its full complement of nerve cells at a person's birth. Even if an individual lives more than 100 years, no new nerve cells are formed in this part of the brain. Yet the most rapid growth of the neocortex occurs during the first 10 years or so of life. Complete Olympiad package with practice tests, quizzes, study materials and more. Certificate, medals or award, scholarship, national recognition.
₹299 per subject.
Student name, email, id, mobile, no date of birth, gender, father name. Select state, select city. Address, school name, class, grade, subject.
Contact us through mail kendrajansewa916@gmail.com or WhatsApp 9 अरब 93 करोड़ 23 लाख 37,068.